What's a vaginal steam? Vaginal steaming is an ancient holistic practice that utilizes herbal infusions from carefully selected herbs into a warm, deeply penetrative steam bath for the vaginal tissues and reproductive system. The vapors from the warm herbal steam carry the medicinal plant oils to the vagina, cervix, and uterus. This supports the uterus in releasing any stagnant blood built up on the uterine lining, ensuring that the next cycle is easy and pain-free, helping an egg to implant, and reducing other uterine abnormalities. The result is a healthier and much more pleasant cycle. Why steam? Reduce discomfort, bloating, and cramps from menses. Regulate absent or irregular cycles. Preventative care. Improve fertility and prepare for conception. Fertility cleanse. Enhance vital blood flow. Speed healing and tone the reproductive system after birth. Ease anxiety, strengthen confidence. Miscarriage recovery. Reduce uterine fibroids and cysts. Relieve chronic bacterial and yeast infections. Maintain healthy odor. Ease symptoms of menopause. Meditation. Yoni steam herbs for hemorrhoids. Yoni steam herbs for postpartum healing. When to steam? As part of an overall self-care regime, we recommend that women steam 2 to 3 times per month, always during weeks in which you are not menstruating.
Get in touch with me. Call or WhatsApp 0838962951. Traditional healer in Sangoma, Muda.